We want people who are doing research to just be academically oriented. But because in the last few years, all the development of AIs is actually happening now in these huge AI labs, because they're the only ones that can afford these billion-dollar compute clusters, right? All the results from academia in AI have basically tanked, and they're all now coming from these AI labs. Now again, but at least the smartest people in AI safety believe that there's a way to do it safely. And again, back to the start of this presentation, 50% of AI researchers believe there's a 10% or greater chance that humans go extinct from our inability to control AI. And we already said you would not get on that plane if that was the chance that the engineers who built the plane told you was going to happen. And currently, the companies are in a for-profit race to onboard humanity onto that plane from every angle.